Hey, Cook Rangers, it's Mr. Floyd. Time for science. We're studying in chapter 3, we're studying tornadoes. So we're going to read a story about tornadoes. The first part of the story is going to be a poem about tornadoes. And the second part of our reading today are some facts about tornadoes. So before we start our story, though, let's take a look at some of the words that we might see in our reading today. We'll go over those. This printed board, you'll see your core vocabulary board for tornadoes in your packet. So if you want to pull that out and look along with me, I'm gonna point to each word and we're gonna read them starting here in the corner. Okay. The first word is bring, hear, sound, blow, spin, start, hurt, watch, take, go, strong, fast, loud, tornado, scared, wind, rain, train, stuff, air, thunderstorm, land, home, tree, car, center, United States, weather people, shelter, basement, bathroom, closet, and window. Okay, those are the words that we might see today in our story about tornadoes. So we're going to go get your packet out, the chapter 3 tornadoes, and we'll read that together in the next section. Welcome back. All right, we're on chapter 3 tornadoes and we're ready to read this story. The reading today has two parts. It has a poem in the first part and then some facts about tornadoes in the second part. So let's go ahead and start. You'll find this printed out in your packet. It says chapter 3 tornadoes. On the cover, it's got a picture of a tornado right there. Okay. Turn to the first page, and this is the poem. Tornado, tornado, what will you do? Tornado, tornado, I'm scared of you. Tornado, tornado, you bring strong winds. Tornado, tornado, you make me stay in. Tornado, tornado, I hear wind and rain. Tornado, tornado, you sound like a train. Tornado, tornado, you blow stuff around. Tornado, tornado, don't touch the ground. Tornado, tornado, you've blown on by. Tornado, tornado, now I can sigh. And that poem was by Amy Bin. All right, so we're going to move on to the next section. The next section are some facts about tornadoes. A tornado is a funnel of spinning air. Most tornadoes form from thunderstorms. Tornadoes begin when the air in a thunderstorm is very fast and strong. Most tornadoes only last a few minutes, but they can do lots of damage. Tornadoes can destroy homes and rip up trees. They can also flip over cars. So at the end of each page in the story, there's some questions to think about. So after we read that page, think about this. How do tornadoes affect people and the environment? The environment is the setting that people are in. How does it affect the people and how does it affect the things around them? Next page. A tornado brings very strong winds. Some people think tornadoes sound like a train passing by. And that was a line in the poem, that the tornado sounded like a train. Others think they sound like a rushing waterfall or driving fast in a car with the windows down. One thing is for sure, they are very loud. Tornadoes can happen anytime, but tornado season is from March to August. Most tornadoes happen in the central part of the United States, and this area is called Tornado Alley. And there's a question at the bottom of that page too. Do you live in an area that could be hit by a tornado? You might talk about that with your parents. Maybe that's something you could look up on the internet. Look up Tornado Alley on the internet and see where that is on the map of the United States and see if Houston is in Tornado Alley. Okay, last page. Weather people called meteorologists watch storms. They tell us when a tornado might be coming. Meteorologists have special instruments that help them track the storms. A tornado watch means a tornado is possible. Listen to the radio or TV for news. A tornado warning means a tornado has been seen. Take shelter in a basement or bathroom or closet and stay away from windows. And the last question at the bottom of that page, how would you stay safe during a tornado? What are some things you would do to be safe if there was a tornado in our area? All right, read the story on your own, take your time, look through and think about those questions, and we're gonna come back and do some questions. Hey, welcome back. This is the last part of our video, and we finished reading our story. Our reading selection today had a poem and then some facts about tornadoes. So we're gonna think about that and we're gonna answer some questions. So you're gonna find these questions, these multiple choice questions in your packet. I'm gonna go through all the questions with you, and then you can sit down on your own and select your answers. You can always look back at the reading today about tornadoes if you have a question about any of these. There's 10 questions. Question number 1, what is this chapter about? Was it about snow? Was it about hurricanes? Or was it about tornadoes? Question number 2, what does a tornado bring? Does it bring snow? Does it bring wind? Or does it bring fire? Question number 3, what does a tornado sound like? Does it sound like a train? Does it sound like a drum? Or does it sound like a radio? Question number 4, what should you stay away from during a tornado? Stay away from cats, stay away from windows, or stay away from closets. Question number 5, what's important to know about this chapter? What was the main idea? A tornado is like a car. A tornado is spinning air. A tornado lasts for several hours. Okay, question number 6. From question number 6 through 10, on these questions, more than one of the answers I read to you could be right. Pick all of them that sound right to you. Question number 6, what do tornadoes form from? From hurricanes, A, hurricanes, B, thunderstorms, or C, snowstorms? Question number 7, where can we listen to weather reports about a tornado? A, in the park. B, on TV. C, on the radio. Remember, more than one answer can be right. Number 8, where can we go to be safe from a tornado? A, the basement. B, a closet. Or C, a treehouse. Number 9, when is tornado season? A, January to March. B, August to December. Or C, March to August. And number 10, why is the central part of the United States called Tornado Alley? Why does it have that name? A, no tornadoes form in this area. B, many tornadoes form in this area. Or C, people in the area like tornadoes. All right, those 10 questions are in your packet. Take your time and answer them. And look back at the story if you have any questions about any of those. And remember that the second part of the questions, 6 through 10, that can have more than one answer. So really think about those. All right, I hope you've liked your science lesson today about tornadoes.